Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the CEO of CsylvicCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make this design, and I made this with 6mm blue and 2mm seed bead here, and also a teardrop yellow. So that's what I use in making this design. Today to get started with this design, I'm going to be using my 6mm gold and teardrop, this size 10. Then I have my hook. Then I am using my metallic gold 2mm as well for this design. Fishing line, I'm using 0.35 for this tutorial. So to get started, I'm going to pick my hook, pass my fishing line through this hook, and let it drop to the middle. So this is what it looks like now. Then the next thing, I'm going to pick my seed bead, the metallic gold, pass my fishing line both through it. Both will pass through the seed bead. Then I will let it drop like this. This is what I have. I will let it drop to the middle of my fishing line, and this the other, like this direction. So then I will split my fishing line. Then I'll pick three seed bead on my right and 3 on my left. 3 on my right, 3 on my left. Three on my right, then 3 on my left. Like this. Then I will let it drop. I'll have it like this. This is what it will look like. So at this point, I'm going to crisscross with a 6mm. I'll crisscross my both fishing line with my 6mm gold. I'll let it drop. Now this is what it looks like. The next thing to do, I'm going to pick 1 6mm on my right, 1 6mm on my left. Then I'll take one to crisscross it. I have it like this. This is what I'll have. Then the next thing, 1 6mm on my right, 1 6mm on my left. Then I'll crisscross with 1. So this is, I'll have it like this. This is what it will look like. This is what you're seeing. So I'll do it one more time. 1 6mm on my right, 1 6mm on my left. Then I'll take one to crisscross it. So at this point, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like at this point. Having it like this, the next thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to pick 1 6mm on my right and 1 on my left. 1 on my left. Then I will crisscross with my teardrop in this order. So the first one will start from here. So this is what it will look like. So now I'm going to be picking 1 on my right, 1 6mm on my right, 1 6mm on my left, then crisscross with my teardrop. One on my right, 1 on my left, then crisscross with my teardrop. Crisscross with my teardrop. One on my right, 1 on my left. Then I will crisscross with my teardrop. I'll do this one more time. Crisscross with the teardrop. So I'll continue to, when I get to the length I want it, then I'll show us the next step to take. So at this point, this is where I've gotten to. I'm going to take the last one. Take 1 on my right and 1 on my left. Then I'll crisscross with this. So at this point, there are 2 ways to this, going to the second step. I can either decide to pick crisscross with the gold, this gold, instead of crisscrossing with the teardrop, then crisscross with the gold. But that will be a long process, but I'm going to show you the easiest way, the simple step to do this design. So at this point, having this, take my teardrop and drop it any of the side, then I'm going to tie it. Let's assume you've gotten to the length you want and you've attached the hook for the next side. Then this is what you have. Then you tie, once you tie it, you have it like this. You see it's already curving for a necklace. So the next step, you take your cutter, cut out this part, the excess fishing line here. Then you have it like this. So the next thing, let's assume you were starting here, just like we have it here. This is what you're seeing now. They assume you're starting this way. So what you do, take a fresh fishing line, skip how many you want, then pass this, pass your needle, your fishing line like this. This is the next step I'm showing you. Then you take your teardrop, pass your teardrop to it. So at this point, after passing it through the gold, you take your teardrop, make sure it's facing this way, like this. Then you put it down. it will come this way. Then you take a gold, you pick a gold, then you pick another teardrop and crisscross with this other fishing line. You have the first one attached like this. This is it. So the second one, you pass your left fishing line to the gold on your left. This is what you have. So you take your gold, you pick a gold and drop it, take a teardrop and crisscross with it again. So you continue till you get to the length where you want it again to be. Then you cut it off, then start with the other one. This is what you do till you get this shape. As you keep cutting, you start afresh, so it will take you to this point. I hope this is helpful, and follow the steps, you'll get this design. I promise you that. So go ahead and make yours. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time of watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Share my videos, like and comment if you have any concern. See you next time. Bye bye.